Welcome to our Python programming series. In this journey, we'll explore the fundamentals of Python, a versatile and powerful programming language. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refresh your skills, you're in the right place. Let's get started and dive into the world of Python. Alright, so let's start with the basics. Python is known for its simplicity and readability, making it a great choice for beginners. It's an interpreted language, which means you can write and run your code without needing to compile it first. Python uses indentation to define code blocks, which helps keep your code clean and organized. Now let's move on to some essential concepts. Now let's talk about data types and variables. In Python, data types are used to classify different types of data, such as numbers, strings, and lists. Variables, on the other hand, are used to store data values. For example, you can assign a number to a variable like this. Python is dynamically typed, so you don't need to declare the type of a variable explicitly. This flexibility makes Python both powerful and easy to use. Moving on, let's discuss control flow. Control flow statements in Python allow you to control the execution of your code based on certain conditions. The most common control flow statements are AND. These statements help you make decisions in your code. For instance, you can use a statement to check if a condition is true and then execute a block of code accordingly. There's also the AND loops, which let you repeat a block of code multiple times. Understanding control flow is crucial for writing effective Python programs. Now let's dive into functions. Functions are like small programs within your larger program. They help you organize your code, making it more readable and reusable. You define a function using the keyword followed by the function name and parentheses. Inside the parentheses, you can specify parameters. These parameters act as placeholders for the values you pass into the function. When you call the function, you provide the actual values, known as arguments. Functions can return a value using the keyword. This value can be used elsewhere in your program. By breaking your code into functions, you make it easier to manage and understand. Moving on to modules and packages. A module is simply a file containing Python definitions and statements. Think of it as a way to organize your code into separate files. You can import a module using the keyword, followed by the module name. This allows you to access the functions, classes, and variables defined in that module. Packages, on the other hand, are a way of organizing related modules into a directory hierarchy. By using packages, you can create a well-structured project. To use a package, you simply import it, just like a module. This modular approach helps you keep your code clean and maintainable. Alright, let's dive into file handling. Working with files is a fundamental skill in programming. You can read from, write to, and manipulate files to store and retrieve data efficiently. Now let's talk about error handling. It's crucial to anticipate and manage errors in your code. Proper error handling ensures that your program can handle unexpected situations gracefully and continue running smoothly. Moving on to object-oriented programming, or OOP. This paradigm allows you to structure your code using objects and classes, making it more modular and easier to maintain. OOP principles like inheritance, encapsulation, and polymorphism are key to building robust applications. And, well, that brings us to the conclusion. We've covered a lot of ground, from the basics to more advanced concepts. Remember, practice is essential in mastering these skills. Keep experimenting, keep learning, and you'll continue to grow as a programmer. Thanks for watching.